guys, we are eating the special edition Issac photo. Here are the people cheering me on. Woo! So, first bite, let's see how it goes. We are going to be getting... I fucking will, man. Ben, what should the first bite be? Which part?
It's gotta be the symbol.
Gotta be, which symbol? You want me to get the swastika? Swastika in the first bite.
There's no way this gets up.
Fucking well. So here we go, everyone. Got this half the swastika. Mild salty taste. I can feel a bit of 1945. Pretty good.
1945.
So
He swallowed it. Oh no.
this is what we got left. What's the next bite, Zach Davis? Next bite. Show the camera the next bite. Fucking show them.
Oh, I'm trying.
No way.
Next bite.
Just get this corner.
That corner.
Yeah, just a whole fucking.
Should I just bite it? No, even. Yeah. Oh! Show.
The taste of mustard gas.
I can smell a bit of ginger, a bit of mustard gas, a few burnt Jews, but still pretty good. Fun, bro. Ben, bro.
What?
So, next bit, we'll get into the mustache. Very good.
No, he smacked you.
Where the fuck the function?
Fuck the function.
And then wrap it off, final bite. Gone, sorted.
So the
Isaac has
Easter egg
been
hunt.
Easter egg hunt.
Management.